Our team name is Team Vehicle, and we have two member in it, Mangrolia Sivraj and Yash Kumar, and the faculty guy is Nilesh Kumar Kakade. Okay, so basically the problem is sometimes a driver laziness and a tireless leads to a sleep, and a sleep leads to a major accident. So overcome this problem, we made some system called the iBlink monitoring system. Will solve this problem. So solution for in this, we use a computer vision for measuring the blink rate of the car, bus, and truck drivers. For this rate of the blinks, we give this input to a Sun special hardware called a Sun IPC workstation and a frame grabber without using any further image processing. The value proposition for this is a product combines an intelligent face recognition system with the feature tracking and the statistical image analysis method to locate and track the head position of a driver in a car and extract the specific measure from the eyes, which give a better accuracy. Now on, Sivraj will explain further.
And the target market and opportunities for our is mainly we are targeting the automobile companies for our product, and IT companies which will for that product will help them, and for the personal use student can use it as I have explained in earlier videos of business model canvas. This model canvas for the problem. Sometimes driver's laziness and tiredness leads to the sleep, and sleep leads to the major accident. To overcome this type of problem, iBlink monitoring system will resolve it. In the solution, on the basis of blinking rate of eyes, it will give alert, so we can prevent the accidents which are occurring due to the driver's laziness and tiredness. Key metrics which we have considered for this product is first one is production cost, second one is keep product up to date, and third one is customer satisfaction. And in this product, we are getting some unfair advantages, like this product is very hard to implement for the competitors. In fact, I can say that there is no same product which is existing in currently market. So it is based unfair advantage for us. The channels or path from which we can connect to our customer. Uh, in this we can arrange a meeting with the companies, like an executive company or any CEO, we can say that, and we will advertise it on some social media and selling it online also. And the customer segment, we have considered some customer for our company is automobiles company. We can sell direct product to the automobile companies, so they can implement this product in their vehicles. Another one is IT companies. For the IT companies, they can keep eyes on the employees, whether they are working or not, and they are satisfying the customers with good services or not. And the personal use way, I want to give an example of student. Sometimes a student wants to read the whole night in the exam, but he can't do because of sometimes he get the sleep. I consider unwanted sleep. So this system will work for the alert. Also, cost structure, we have majorly think about the advertising cost. For the advertising, I have considered around 30,000 per month, and the full transportation cost. We will assume that 10,000 product order we are getting for 1 month, and 500 kilometers is average traveling. So it will give us 70,000 around cost for the transportation. And if we are selling the product online, so we need some hosting online websites, or we have to pay the fees for the e-commerce website, which will be around 10% of selling price. So these are the all cost structure, and the revenue stream from which we can generate our revenue. So as we have considered earlier, 10,000 product can be a monthly order or sell. We will sell. For that, profit net profit for one product per product is 2,000 rupees. So as per the per profit per product Profit per product is 2000 rupees. So revenue will be the 50 million around for per month, and lifetime value. We will give innovative product in upcoming product. So there will be a different version of products which will include new innovative things in the product. The gross margin. Finally, gross margin we are getting, like we can say the net profit per month. It will be around 20 million. Uh, I'm saying that these figures are not real. We are assuming like that if we are successfully apply this business model, we can get something like this type of advantage. Cost structure and fund requirement. Raw material cost will be the 1000 Indian rupees as per product. Other manufacturing cost we require is 1000 INR per product. And transportation cost, I assume that 500 kilometers distance and 10,000 project product will be carried out. For that, we need 70,000 rupees. And for competitor, as per our knowledge, we have find through the internet, we haven't find in any such product which is available in market. So the main benefit or advantage for us is there is no competitor as per our knowledge. Yeah, thank you.